Hi friends, this is Manisha Chaudhary and I welcome you back to my channel Manisha's Craft Ideas. Well, this time I'm back with yet another art decoration idea, and which is not a bulletin board this time, but a very important task which is given to most of the junior teachers especially. As you can see here, you can see a big artwork which is cut in a very weird section. So the surprise is this, that yes, we are decorating the door. And as I told you now that it's a task majorly given to the junior teachers, junior wing, where the decoration of the door needs to be done in most of our schools. I hope yours is one of them. If it is, then you're in for a treat. Well, so the idea was to decorate couple of the doors for the junior wing, and we started firing up as a team. Ananta ma'am and I thought of getting few of the bulletin boards done in a very bold, strippy manner, and this one was little more intricate, where a lot of detail of the vines and the leaves were added. And the idea is to give a general idea for people, those who are entering the classroom, that what is the ideology of the class. So this was the first bulletin board, very viney leaves and everything, and though the background was a little dark, but the final result was very, very pleasing. And here comes the other one, and this one doesn't have a window, as the earlier one had a very huge big window cut out into the wooden door, and this one is a quite solid piece, though they all have a peeping hole right in the center of it, so that whoever passes by and wants to look into the art room, they can take a clear view as to what is going on. So here it is. This one is actually a lot of artwork which we do. At least my personal intention is always is to reuse the old artwork, refurbish it, because as it is, they are done on a very strong sheet, like ivory sheet we do it, and ivory sheet does stay for a long time. And the most important part, that they stay fresh for a longer period, is that whenever the artwork is done, we always cover it up with cellophane sheet. So that is a very important part which I have been following it since from last till 10-12 years, and it is a really paid off. So artwork doesn't go bad at all. So here you can see the borders were decorated with the flowers, and a boy and a girl, they represent the important part of the class. They were stuck onto the complete opposite end of the door here, and just so that they don't look blank standing on no foreground or no nothing, so I've added a little bit of a cloud, so it gives a very cute look. And the most part of the board is covered with the quotation here, and a very impressive quotation. If you see, we don't do easy, we make easy happen through hard work and learning. And likewise, the other quotation for the other classroom was also very apt if you look at it. So here it is. In this particular board, you will see that we have created a sort of a border. The base is yellow and the borders are orange in color, just to break the monotony of the yellow color. And as soon as this will dry up, and the entire gate will be covered with a cellophane sheet, so that it stays protected against any of the dirty hands people keep on touching. The sheet as it is very, very easy to get bad. So yes, very important part is to cover it with the cellophane sheet. Here is the other boards. As you can see here, some of the basic ideas for different kind of rooms that we have. The viney leaf one, as you can see, was for the library. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give a thumbs up and enjoy. Bye bye. Thank you.